Good morning. It's just under a year ago that Intel announced the Intel distribution of Apache Hadoop, Intel, the chip company, in a software game. And in that year, I've had a chance to talk to countless customers and partners and industry thought leaders. And over the year, I still get the questions, and maybe many of you have it, of why is Intel in this market and what is our end objective? And I hope in the very brief time I have with you this morning to answer both of those questions. You know, we view Hadoop and the related Apache projects as a platform, a distributed operating system for big data. So to address why is Intel interested in this market and why are we participating, I'd like to go back almost 15 years to another emerging platform, Linux. At the time, in the early part of the 2000s, Unix was very dominant in the high end of the server market. The Unix platforms were far more capable, but it's a fragmented market, many proprietary kind of ecosystems, and the solutions were very expensive. Over the last 15 years, Linux as a platform has evolved in its capability, but stayed open, multi-vendor, interoperable, and you can see the growth results. While the Unix market has been in steady decline, the Linux market has grown. I believe that the Hadoop market is at a crossroads. There's the potential for the market to fragment into islands of proprietary technology that are based on the open source projects, but in fact, to be usable, require a closed, expensive ecosystem. Or we have the option to make it move forward in a Linux-like fashion where it's open, multi-vendor, creates a platform for innovation, and drives rapid growth. This is why Intel is in this market. This is not a sideshow for us. Growth is a critical agenda for our business, and this is a critical part of our strategy to grow our $12 billion data center core business. So that begs two more questions. What does it take, and what are we going to deliver? In terms of what it takes, the Linux market grew up on commodity hardware. I used to be the Xeon guy, and I used to hate the fact that, oh, hey, commodity is not a way to describe my beloved Xeon product line until I realized how much customers love it. Luckily, we're all aligned around commodity hardware for Hadoop platforms. The second thing is a software foundation that's built tightly coupled and optimized for that hardware. You know, we've been one of the top 2 contributors to the Linux kernel now for many years, so we know what it takes to optimize that software foundation for the world's leading hardware. It's got to be enterprise ready with security, disaster recovery, and the ability to integrate in enterprise environments. It's got to cover more use cases, and it has to be performant. And finally, and most importantly, you have to have a diverse range of applications that build the business value, the solutions that create value for customers and drive that growth. So what will Intel deliver? I'm very pleased to announce today, here at Strata, another big announcement, the Intel Data Platform. Like other providers of Hadoop software, we've moved beyond the original Apache Hadoop project to incorporate other Apache projects to create a complete data platform. I'm also happy to say, to make it easier for customers to adopt it, the Enterprise Edition of the Intel Data Platform will be freely available. This isn't a watered-down version. This is a platform that has all of the Hadoop projects integrated and validated, from the original Apache Hadoop to Spark and Shark and Storm and Kafka, and even the Graph platform that came out of Intel Labs. It also has all of our security capabilities, and it has the Intel Manager integrated, and it'll be freely available for download in the next quarter. We expect many customers will want to adopt the Intel Data Platform Premium Edition, which will be optimized for highly consistent service delivery. It'll include patches, upgrades, support, and features to make sure that in an operational environment you get predictable, consistent performance. And also, we're announcing the Intel Data Platform Analytics Toolkit. And this is a foundation, a framework for application development with pre-built algorithms so that either ISVs or in-house developers can accelerate their application development. But a platform doesn't deliver value. An ecosystem delivers value. And I'm proud and gratified about the ecosystem we're building around the Intel Data Platform. Each of these companies is innovating with us to integrate, build solutions, and engage customers. This is Intel's heritage. This is what we do. We innovate the world's best technology, we create ecosystems, and we drive business value. And for all the partners and customers out there in the audience, I hope you'll join us. Thank you.